Hello everyone, welcome back. For those who are new here, I'm Umar, the founder of GrowthWinner. On this channel, I share my learnings and insights on SEO. In this video, I'm going to share my link building checklist for 2024 and beyond. So, there are two things with links. Either you earn them or force them. Yes, I want you to realize it's never the case that a new website you have started will automatically start earning links. First, you have to build links, aka force them, and once you are ranked in top positions, provided your content is a link worthy, you will start getting juicy links. So, here are my 9 points link building checklist. Number 1. Audit your content and website. Yes, I understand that this video is about link building checklist and not the website audit. Hold on for a moment.
I want to set the record straight.
Most e-commerce brands, agencies, and even SaaS businesses, especially niche site owners, miss this point. And when I hop on a call why they are struggling with links despite the outreach efforts, most of the time it has to do with the website design and the content. Either the website looks like another typical blog or the content itself doesn't sound too good to be linked. How many times you have seen a real brand or a business that puts their money pages right in the navigation or fill their homepage with just commercial articles? I haven't seen a lot of them, but most affiliate sites do. If your website doesn't at least feel like a brand, forget that you could secure links from top tier publishers. Although you can still get it going by paying tons of money for guest posts, but in the longer run, if your website and content isn't link worthy, you're going to struggle.
I declare bankruptcy!
Number 2. Current link profile analysis. Most SEOs I have seen start with competitor research first rather than analyzing links of their own website. So once you are sure that your website design is perfect and the content you are putting is not garbage, this helps you get the idea where we currently stand in terms of links. From anchor text to the type of links your website currently has, I would analyze everything in between. Also, I have a complete video on my channel that can help you identify pages you should build links to. Go check it out, and it will help you with the next steps. Number 3. Doubling down on competitor research. If you're just focusing on building links from the website your competitor has, it isn't a strategy, it is just copying. Rather, what I do is sit down and find some unique angles by looking at competitor backlinks. Most of the time, whether it's looking at their broken links or their best by link report in Ahrefs, I end up finding some great insights either with the topic that got the most links or the type of websites linking to them. If you need a Google Sheet that can help you find key players in your niche, comment down and I will pass it over. Based on your current link profile and your competitor analysis, calculate link gap, aka how many links you would need to rank on top 3 positions. Referring to the same video above, I have shared how I do that. Number 4. Set clear goals and targets. Once you have the data from your own link profile and your competitors, you are now on a path to set clear targets and what must be done to secure top positions in SERPs, provided strong on-page SEO is done. So, I already shared complete set of KPIs that I use for links in my recent video. I would highly recommend you guys checking it out. Till now, you should have a link building strategy and action plan in hand. If not, you may ask guys at GrowthWinner to manage this for you. Completely hands-off. So, the next point in our checklist is go beyond guest posts. There is no benefit of guest posting at all if it doesn't get indexed. For our clients at GrowthWinner, we fully optimize the guest post from on-page perspective and then hand it over to the webmaster. Guess what? They rank on Google as well in top position, provided they will give referring traffic to our client side. So ultimately, they are gonna give referral traffic to our client side. Well, the point I wanted to make here is that there is a whole world beyond just buying guest posts when it comes to link building. I agree that guest posts are easy to get as compared to other type of links, but you gotta diversify your link profile and overrank your competitors when it comes to winning top spots in Google. Digital PR, expired domains, press releases, etc. Number 6. the power of linkable assets. Before creating valuable content that is likely to be linked by other websites, first you will have to figure out what type of content that attract links in your niche. It could be statistical articles, reports, or even tools such as generators, converters, etc. One method for linkable assets is what we refer to as patent link building. I first heard this from Eric. We find patent in our niche, explain them in plain English since patents are pretty difficult to understand, right? And then promote them everywhere. Reddit, social network on Facebook, journalists in our industry. See, it's not a big problem to do that with ChatGPT. Ask Chat to explain that patent in plain English or as if it is explaining to a 13-year-old. If you want to learn how we find opportunities, vet websites, outreach, and assessing links quality, I have a complete playlist dedicated to this. Check it out. Number 7. Prioritize organic traffic. The highly relevant links are when your competitor in the same niche is linking to you. Don't get obsessed with relevancy. Do you think Google would ignore 3.45% of the internet it gives traffic to? So prioritize organic traffic of the website over relevance and don't overcomplicate it. Although my team at GrowthWinners secured some powerful links from the niche competitors as well, since it's more about finding the angle that you can target. Let me know in the comments if you want me to share the strategy how we do that. Number 8. Say no to buying links. Dude, you have a link building agency and you are asking us not to buy links?
That is not fair! That is not fair!
Well, I'm refraining you from buying links from guest post farms. There are tons of strategies that I shared through which you can recognize whether it is a farm or not in this video. Number 9. Keep track of your links. I wouldn't want to waste time checking how many links that I have built for my websites, when we built it, where we pointed those links, the anchor text used, and so on. So the best bet is having a simple Google Sheet that can keep track of it. I'm using a custom coded sheet for my clients and my sites that checks for the status of those links as well, meaning if the link is still live or not. In this way, we never lose hard-earned links and can always reach out to the site owner if it gets removed. That's it for today's video. Follow this checklist and you will get quality plus quantity of backlinks in 2024 and beyond. If you need any assistance with link building, you can reach out to my team at GrowthWinner. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.